A deeper look. You are opening to a unique perspective. You are now able to see below the surface to gain a much deeper understanding of what is taking place. This not only applies to your life, but to your understanding of other people as well. You will be able to see the smallest detail and see the energetic pattern of what is occurring. You will see the consequences, both positive and negative, for your decisions and where they lead you. This gives you the ability to offer sound counsel to others and lead your own life in the right direction. I love it. Freedom. It is time to come out of your shell. This shell, which did serve you in the past to provide protection for your tender heart, is no longer needed. It has begun to allow yourself true freedom. The world and your soul both need you to let your light and your heart shine. Allow the past to be the past and move forward in this present moment. And do this in small steps at first if you need to. Moving away from your perspective shell means allowing your true heart to be seen, but it also means allowing others in on a deeper level. Lion Guide. The Lion Guide is here to help you awaken your sleeping lion within. Your inner animal is power, resourceful, mighty. You really do hold the strength and the courage to do whatever needs to be done. It is time to let the world hear you roar. Lion Guide is here to help you to realize that you do rule your inner and outer worlds and energetically claim your throne as the rightful ruler of your kingdom. And once you